The cryptocurrency world is no stranger to unexpected partnerships. Yet, the evolving relationship between Coinbase, Ripple, and Hidden Road signifies a new era. These three powerhouses are converging, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Their collaboration is poised to reshape the financial landscape, driven by a shared belief in the power of blockchain technology. This alliance is not merely about individual gain, but rather a collective push towards a more inclusive and efficient financial system. Coinbase, the leading U.S. cryptocurrency exchange, brings its massive user base and regulatory compliance expertise. Ripple, a pioneer in blockchain-based payment solutions, offers its global network and innovative technology. Hidden Road, a rising star in institutional finance, provides its cutting-edge trading and settlement infrastructure. Together, they form a formidable force, capable of driving mainstream adoption of digital assets and transforming traditional finance. This partnership is still in its early stages, but the potential impact is undeniable. Their combined expertise and resources are already breaking down barriers to entry for institutional investors. They are also accelerating the development of real-world use cases for blockchain technology, particularly in the realm of cross-border payments and treasury management. The collaboration between Coinbase, Ripple, and Hidden Road is a testament to the maturing cryptocurrency industry. It signals a shift from competition to collaboration, as key players recognize the value of working together to achieve shared goals. This new spirit of cooperation is essential for unlocking the full potential of blockchain technology and creating a more equitable and efficient global financial system. The traditional financial system is slow, expensive, and riddled with inefficiencies. This has led corporations to explore alternative solutions for managing their treasuries. Enter XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, which is emerging as a viable and attractive option. XRP's speed, low cost, and scalability make it ideal for facilitating cross-border payments and managing liquidity. Companies are increasingly recognizing the benefits of holding XRP as part of their treasury strategies. By leveraging XRP, businesses can unlock trapped capital, reduce transaction fees, and improve their overall financial efficiency. This shift towards digital asset treasuries is driven by a desire for greater transparency, security, and control over corporate finances. The use of XRP in corporate treasuries is still in its nascent stage. However, several forward-thinking companies are leading the charge. These early adopters are paving the way for wider adoption, demonstrating the tangible benefits of incorporating XRP into existing financial frameworks. Their success stories serve as compelling case studies for other businesses seeking to optimize their treasury operations. As more companies embrace XRP and other digital assets, the traditional financial system will be forced to adapt. This shift towards a more decentralized and efficient financial future is inevitable. XRP, with its unique capabilities, is well positioned to play a pivotal role in this transformation. By empowering businesses with faster, cheaper, and more transparent financial tools, XRP is helping to build a more inclusive and accessible global economy. The current system for cross-border payments is slow, expensive, and opaque. This antiquated infrastructure often leads to delays, high fees, and a lack of transparency for businesses and individuals alike. However, XRP is emerging as a transformative solution, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the digital age. Its speed, low cost, and reliability make it ideal for facilitating international payments. XRP enables near-instantaneous transactions, settling payments in a matter of seconds. This is a significant improvement over traditional systems, which can take days to process cross-border payments. Additionally, XRP's low transaction fees significantly reduce the cost of sending money internationally. This makes it a cost-effective alternative for businesses and individuals seeking to send or receive payments globally. Beyond speed and cost-effectiveness, XRP provides greater transparency in cross-border payments. Each transaction is recorded on the XRP ledger, a public and immutable blockchain. This allows for real-time tracking of payments, providing businesses and individuals with increased visibility and accountability. The transparency offered by XRP helps build trust and efficiency in international payment corridors. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the need for faster, cheaper, and more transparent cross-border payments will only grow. XRP, with its unique capabilities, is well positioned to meet this demand. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, XRP is transforming the global payments landscape, making it easier and more affordable for people and businesses to transact across borders. Institutional adoption of cryptocurrency is, well, a game changer. It's not just about individual investors anymore. We're talking about big players, banks, hedge funds, and multinational corporations. These institutions bring significant capital and, importantly, credibility to the crypto space. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges like regulatory hurdles and security concerns that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits such as increased liquidity and market stability are huge. So, how are we powering this shift? Education and infrastructure are key. Institutions need robust platforms and clear regulatory guidelines to feel confident in their investments. And that's where the industry is heading, towards a more mature and stable ecosystem. In essence, institutional adoption is a crucial step towards mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency. It's an exciting time, with many possibilities on the horizon. XRP is more than just a digital currency, it's a strategic asset for financial institutions. By leveraging XRP, banks and payment providers can access liquidity on demand, reduce operational costs, and improve their overall efficiency. This positions XRP as a key player in the evolving financial ecosystem. The payment landscape is undergoing a transformation, and XRP is at the heart of it. With its ability to facilitate real-time cross-border transactions, XRP eliminates the need for pre-funded accounts, making global payments faster and more cost-effective. This revolutionizes how money moves around the world. As the world moves towards a more digital economy, XRP stands at the forefront of this change. Its robust technology and widespread adoption make it a critical component in the future of finance. By integrating XRP, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on new opportunities. The integration of XRP into the financial system marks the dawn of a new era. This new financial landscape is characterized by greater inclusivity, efficiency, and transparency. As we move forward, XRP will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of global finance. The world of finance is on the cusp of a major transformation. XRP, the digital asset designed for fast and efficient cross-border payments, is attracting significant attention. One of the most exciting developments is the opening of XRP futures markets. This move is expected to unlock a flood of institutional capital into the XRP ecosystem. Institutional investors with their vast resources have traditionally been hesitant to enter the crypto market. However, the launch of regulated XRP futures markets provides a familiar and trusted avenue for these investors to gain exposure to XRP. This is a game changer for XRP's price trajectory. As more institutional players enter the market, demand for XRP is expected to surge. This increased demand, coupled with XRP's fixed supply, could lead to a significant price appreciation. Analysts are closely watching these developments, with some predicting a potential surge in XRP's value. The opening of XRP futures markets is not just about price speculation. It represents a growing recognition of XRP's utility and its potential to revolutionize global payments. This is a major milestone for XRP and the broader crypto market. The global financial system is undergoing a major upgrade with the implementation of ISO 2022. This new messaging standard is designed to facilitate faster, cheaper, and more transparent cross-border payments. XRP, with its inherent advantages for international settlements, is uniquely positioned to benefit from this transition. ISO 2022 requires financial institutions to adopt a standardized messaging format for cross-border transactions. This standardization will streamline payments, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. XRP's speed, low cost, and scalability make it an ideal solution for this new environment. Currently, the SWIFT network dominates cross-border payments. However, SWIFT is slow, expensive, and often opaque. XRP has the potential to disrupt SWIFT's dominance by offering a faster, more cost-effective, and transparent alternative. If XRP captures even a fraction of the trillions of dollars flowing through SWIFT annually, its price could skyrocket. The integration of ISO 2022 is a significant catalyst for XRP's adoption. As financial institutions around the world embrace this new standard, XRP is poised to play a pivotal role in the future of global payments. The long-running legal battle between Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, is nearing a resolution. This case has cast a shadow over XRP, creating uncertainty for investors and hindering its growth potential. However, recent developments suggest a positive outcome for Ripple. The SEC lawsuit alleges that Ripple violated securities laws by selling XRP as an unregistered security. Ripple has vehemently denied these allegations, arguing that XRP is a currency, not a security. The outcome of this case has far-reaching implications for the entire crypto industry. A settlement in Ripple's favor would remove a major obstacle to XRP's adoption. It would also set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies, providing much-needed regulatory clarity for the industry. A positive outcome would likely trigger a surge in investor confidence and drive up XRP's price. While the legal battle has been challenging, Ripple has continued to expand its global partnerships and develop new use cases for XRP. The company remains confident in its legal position and is optimistic about the future of XRP. The crypto market is known for its volatility, with prices often fluctuating wildly. Despite these turbulent conditions, XRP has demonstrated remarkable resilience. Even amidst recent market downturns and net outflows, XRP's price has remained relatively stable. This stability is a testament to the underlying strength of XRP and its growing adoption by financial institutions and payment providers. While speculative trading can influence short-term price movements, XRP's long-term value proposition is driven by its real-world utility. XRP's ability to maintain its value during periods of market stress is a positive sign for long-term investors. It suggests that XRP is not just another speculative asset, but a digital asset with real-world value and a growing use case. As the crypto market matures and investors seek stability, XRP's resilience is likely to attract more attention. The recent market volatility has tested the strength of many cryptocurrencies. XRP's ability to weather the storm is a testament to its strong fundamentals and its potential for long-term growth.